Are you missing out on the future of investing? Imagine making money while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, I'll reveal the top 3 AI investing apps in 2025 that are literally making people rich. Stay tuned till the end because I've got a secret bonus tip that could change your financial game forever. Subscribe now for daily finance hacks tips. In the next 20 minutes, you're going to discover tools that have taken the investment world by storm. If you're a beginner looking to step into a world where AI drives smart money decisions, then this is your chance. Let's break down these revolutionary apps that are redefining investing in the USA. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for a financial breakthrough. Overview: why AI investing? Welcome back to Finance SQ, where we decode the secrets of finance for you. Today, we're not just talking about any investing apps. We're looking at the ones driven by artificial intelligence, a technology that's already changing our world. Now, let's talk about why AI investing matters. Unlike traditional apps that rely solely on human intuition, AI-powered platforms use real-time data, pattern recognition, and predictive analytics to make smarter decisions. And if you've ever wondered how some investors seem to always be ahead of the curve, this is one of their best-kept secrets. Think about it. While humans are prone to emotion and bias, AI looks at massive datasets and market trends with absolute precision. This means more informed choices, less risk, and most importantly, more opportunity to grow your wealth. So let's get into the specifics. 2. App number 1. App number 1. Let's kick things off with app name. Example: InvestiBot. This isn't your regular investment platform. It's an intelligent tool designed to analyze trends, adjust your portfolio on the fly, and even alert you on opportunities before they hit the mainstream. Key features of InvestiBot: real-time analytics. InvestiBot uses live data feeds to monitor global markets. Whether you're tracking stock fluctuations or reacting to breaking news, it's always a step ahead. Algorithmic trading. Its algorithms analyze historical trends and current market patterns to suggest the best buying and selling points. This feature alone can save you from common beginner mistakes. User-friendly dashboard. Even if you're new to investing, the intuitive interface helps you understand complex charts without feeling overwhelmed. Imagine having a digital assistant that works 24/7, ensuring your portfolio is always optimized. That's what InvestiBot brings to the table in 2025, and it's already helping users see significant returns. If you're curious about the detailed analytics behind it, I'll share a quick behind-the-scenes look in just a minute. Pretty impressive, right? And remember, this app is designed for both beginners and seasoned investors. Now, let's move on to our second powerhouse. 3. Number 2. Next up is app name. Example: AI Money Pro. This app combines AI with social sentiment analysis, a strategy that examines what experts and the community are saying about various investments. Core benefits of AI Money Pro: social sentiment integration. AI Money Pro aggregates opinions from top analysts, news outlets, and even social media, filtering out the noise to provide you with data-backed insights. Customizable investment profiles. You can set your risk tolerance, financial goals, and even preferences, and the app adjusts its recommendations accordingly. It's like having a bespoke portfolio managed by AI. Automated portfolio rebalancing. As market conditions shift, so does your portfolio. AI Money Pro makes sure you're never stuck with outdated holdings. Here's an interesting point. In today's fast-paced financial environment, decisions need to be both quick and data-driven. AI Money Pro excels in this by offering real-time insights along with personalized strategies. And for those who are just starting, the app provides comprehensive tutorials that help you understand every aspect of AI-driven investing. If you're hesitant about relying on social sentiment, remember that the AI filters out biased opinions and focuses on meaningful data. This has helped many users maximize returns while minimizing risk. Now, hold tight as we head into our final recommendation. App number 3. Last but not least, let's talk about app name. Example: Smart Invest AI. This app is a breakthrough in combining predictive analytics with machine learning to forecast market movements well in advance. Key innovations in Smart Invest AI: predictive market forecasting. Smart Invest AI uses advanced algorithms that analyze not just past performance, but also predict future trends based on real-time news and global events. Risk management tools. It offers risk alerts and provides strategic recommendations to safeguard your investments during volatile times. Seamless integration. With integrations to your bank accounts and trading platforms, managing your portfolio becomes effortless. You get consolidated insights all in one place. Imagine an app that warns you in advance about potential dips and even suggests the best time to enter or exit a trade. That's what SmartInvest AI is offering. With its laser-focused predictive capabilities, it's a game changer for anyone who wants to stay ahead in the market. As you can see, these 3 apps are not just tools but complete solutions to bring efficiency, speed, and intelligence to your investments. Each one caters to different aspects of your financial strategy and is optimized for a beginner as well as an experienced investor. Break bonus tip. Now, before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip that has personally transformed the way I manage my investments. If I had to choose one extra strategy to boost your returns, it would be the power of diversification combined with automated rebalancing. Bonus tip: always set a percentage-based rebalancing strategy in your portfolio using these apps. This means regardless of market swings, you automatically maintain a balanced risk profile. It can protect you from unexpected market drops and help secure your gains over time. Implementing even one extra feature like this can make a significant difference in your long-term wealth-building journey. Let's recap. Today we uncovered 3 revolutionary AI investing apps: InvestiBot, AI Money Pro, and SmartInvest AI, each designed to help you make smarter, data-driven decisions in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these tools can transform your financial game by automating decisions, reducing risk, and maximizing returns. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to Finance SQ for daily finance hacks, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below to tell me which app you're most excited to try and what topics you want to see next. I'm committed to helping you achieve financial success, and with these AI tools, the future of investing is in your hands. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on the best strategies for maximizing your wealth in 2025. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with the right knowledge and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.